If you could support muscle recovery in just 10 to 15 minutes a day without lying on a mat or stopping what you're doing, would you try it? That's exactly what this red and infrared light belt is designed for. It combines visible red light and deep penetrating infrared light to deliver focused energy directly to muscles and joints, helping support circulation, mobility, and overall recovery. This comes with a convenient travel case, 4 connection straps, a Type-C charging cable, a strap holder, the user manual, and obviously the infrared LED light modules themselves. The lenses are engineered to push that energy deeper into the tissue, so it's not just surface level warmth. And unlike traditional infrared mats, this system is wearable and completely hands-free, which means you can use it at home, at the gym, at the office, or while traveling. Using it is simple. Place the modules directly on the area you want to target, secure the adjustable strap, and power it on. Sessions take about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's designed for consistent daily use. You can use it on specific target areas like your wrists, ankles, feet, or neck to encourage relaxation and gentle warmth. Overall, it's a practical, science-backed wellness tool that fits easily into a real-world recovery routine. Check it out in the link below.